Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use remote desktop connection in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to search bar right here and type down remote desktop. Okay. Now, first up, we've got to go to remote desktop settings, click on it, and make sure that your remote desktop is enabled as well. And also, the computer that's going to be accessing this computer, make sure that that computer as well is remote desktop ready. Okay, enable it, hit on confirm right here, and here you have your PC name. Okay, so once that's done, you can go ahead and open up remote desktop on the other computer and click on remote desktop connection. And as you can see here, it needs a computer name, all right, or an IP address. Well, what you're gonna do to the other computer is just type down this name, okay, and then just hit on connect. If you can't access this computer via name, well, you can go ahead and find your IP. So to find your IP, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down CMD. Click on CMD right here or command prompt and just type down IP config. Okay, just like that. And then just hit on enter. And then in the results, just go ahead and find Ethernet adapter, Ethernet, and IPv4 address. Here you have your IP right here. Okay, you just type it down, hit on connect, and you're good to go. That is it. That is how you use remote desktop connection in Windows 11. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.